up guys, what's up YouTube, what's up everyone? Welcome to Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always you know we have our lovely mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Okay guys, if you don't want to go on the channel, we do cooking shows, we cook, cooking tips, anything that got to do with the kitchen. Once you're in the kitchen, that's what we do over here. So anyways guys, yeah, don't forget to drop subscribe. If you watch the content, you love it, just drop subscribe. And I forgot to introduce myself. Jeff
in the kitchen.
Anyway,
we have Jim also here.
Jim. No, I don't worry.
No.
Well, anyway, yeah, guys, yeah, that's the entire crew. Let's get to what we're doing. Today we're going to do what we call.
We are going to be having gizzard and fried plantain. Ooh. Just that.
Yeah. We have our we have our fresh pepper.
Yeah.
Our potato.
Irish potato.
Scent leaf.
No.
Mary leaf.
No, nobody Mary leaf. Stop, Jody is what they come back for it. You know that?
Onion, tomato, or oil.
In French they call it persil, but I don't know in
basil. This one
is it
basil?
No, that's coconut oil now.
No, I'm talking about
persil. This persil.
I thought it was basil. It's not called basil. So this is coconut oil, plantain, and our gizzard.
Then olive oil. Okay.
It's leaking, no?
It's the
fish.
I
thought the oil
ice. The ice is
okay.
I
thought the oil that was leaking.
So we have.
And then we have our vinegar.
We have garlic and one pepper.
Oh, and seasoning.
Yeah.
I haven't forgot. Who's the drink this thing?
Yeah, some people
used to. I need some. There's nothing in this world I don't want to eat.
Okay guys, we are back, and now we're adding our vinegar to the gizzard. Basically.
Gizzard. While I'm cutting the garlic.
Okay, let's go. So now, the water is good. Water is cool.
Just needed to add this fresh garlic, so I will have the fresh taste. So, done?
Yeah.
Okay, while I'm adding this. Yes,
Then
black
pepper.
Yeah, this our salt, little. Then my signature turmeric. Yeah, so it's turmeric. I like calling it my signature. I'm not using it all the time. Then this is my powdered ginger and garlic mixed together. Alright, then little seasoning, little. Okay. Then you put it on the stove to be cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes. Please get the cover on the stove while I will be cutting. I'm going to cut this Irish potato. I'll put it in here. So let me do that now. Okay, so I'm done cutting the potato. This is it, as you can see. Make some big, some small. I'm putting it right in the pot. Jeff, today I'm doing Italian food for you. Only I don't know the name. So you cover it.
How you trade Italian?
You will see, go outside, you will know.
Yeah.
I like to cook. Oh, people, welcome back. As you can see, these are plantain. It's brownish. It's okay like this. Because if you leave it brown on the fire, it will end up being brown. As you can see, the gizzard is doing well. Oh my god. So taking it out. Okay. Yeah, that's the golden brown I needed. That's the color. As you can see, this is the gizzard. You see the sauce, the what the this sauce or the soup.
Yes, yes.
See, it's sticking. You see, because of the potato, the Irish potato I put in. So that's what gave me this. I use it as a thickener. Yes, thickener. So that's it. That was why I had to put the potato. So I'll be taking it out now. Oh my God, Jeff, please take out this thing. The plantain is the oil. I'm putting it in the pan. This olive oil. Don't need so much of oil. You don't need. You don't like using much oil. Then this is our gizzard.
We added it into the oil.
How to fry it a little bit. Don't make it dry. Just to have this. Fry it a little so that it will give you the crunching. Okay. Don't cut in the pepper, the onions. So I cut the onions into two different shapes. So I'm putting this one first into the pan. So I was supposed to use coconut oil, but I had to change my mind. I use olive oil. Then put in our pepper. Then you turn it very well. I like it for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. So this one is going to cover it while I check the gizzard. So what I'm going to do next, I will take the
gizzard sauce.
The gizzard sauce and add to it. Like that. Mix it very well. Please get me the other onion. Okay, see, bring it. Bring it. Then bring our gizzard. Bring the gizzard, yes please. The gizzard. Yeah, now somebody's not saying something.
I'm watching the process.
And how is this place smelling? What's it? What? I'm hungry. The thing is making.
It looks nice. It smells nice too.
It smells very, very nice. And it looks nauseous. You said you don't have appetite for food. Then you see this.
The
appetite will come. No.
Looks
nice. Okay.
So the plantain can say bring it out.
Now serve it with the plantain. Serve.
This is our tomato, our fried plantain, our gizzard, and then the garnishing. We added the seal, the leaf, and then you can see our.
Please, guys, tell me the name of this leaf, please.
Basil leaf.
Basil.
Then you can see our onion.
People call it.
Sure. You can see our onion and our pepper. Finish.
Everything
is just in there. So now the big moment, the day.
So guys, friends, everyone, come and join me. Let's do it. give it the first.
Yeah, I'm first time bite.
The cameraman, don't be angry. Oh my god. Something can be delicious.
Only.
You are not even saying anything.
When you are tasting something as good as this, you have to appreciate it.
So friends, I think you should try this. You really need to try it.
Wow. One word for this dish. Wow. Wow.
It's really nice.
Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment what you like to see us do next, and turn your post notification bell icon so you get notified when dropping content like this. Yeah, you learned something new today. So yeah, why don't you subscribe and leave a like. So yeah, Mom.
Thanks so much for subscribing, for being there for me. Thank you. Without you guys, I will not be here. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay guys, that's the video. Don't forget to stay healthy, eat healthy. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.